Two friends in school. Hello everyone. Welcome to our English conversation series. Today we are going to listen to a simple conversation between two friends in school. Let's begin. Arjun. Hi Rahul. Good morning. Rahul. Good morning Arjun. How are you today? Arjun. I am fine. Did you complete your homework? Rahul. Yes, I completed it last night. What about you? Arjun. I also finished my homework after dinner. Rahul. Great. Did you study for the science test? Arjun. Yes, I studied for 1 hour yesterday evening. Rahul. I think the test will be easy today. Arjun. Yes, our teacher explained the lessons very clearly. Rahul. By the way, where is Ramesh today? Arjun. He is absent because he has a fever. Rahul. Oh, that is sad. I hope he gets well soon. Arjun. Me too. We should visit him after school. Rahul. Yes, that is a good idea. Arjun. Okay, the bell is ringing. Let us go to the classroom. Rahul. Sure, let's go quickly. This is a simple conversation between two friends at school. Thank you for listening to this conversation. Practice these lines and try to use them in your daily life. I will see you in the next video with another useful English conversation.